me and turn me around. But I'm saved and I know that I am. Now many times on my journey I would stumble and fall. Oh, Satan tried to tell me that I had nothing at all. But then I told him about that moment I prayed, when Jesus came into my heart and He's there to stay. So I'm saved and I know that I am. I'm saved by the blood of the Lamb. Oh, Satan tried to stop me and turn me around, but I'm saved and I know that I am. Now since I met Jesus, my whole life has changed. I look all around me and nothing seems the same. I want to shout it to the whole world about this new love I found, and how He took this old sinner and He turned me around. So I'm saved